So we're going to make some oatmeal cookies today. Let's go to the ingredients quickly. We have a cup of butter, baking soda, some spices. I will go through it while we're making it. We have our oats, 2 eggs, and I'm going to put some sour cream in there, some salt, flour, sugar. Most cookie recipes call for white and brown. I'm just using brown. Alright, so first we're going to, I'm not using raisins either. I'm not a raisins lover. Oh, and vanilla extract. So first we're going to put our butter and our sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and soften it, and then I shall be back. Let's get started. This cookie is a chewy cookie, so as I mentioned, we are going to combine our eggs one at a time, and once properly well combined, we are going to add the flour with all of the spices. As I said, all of the ingredients would be in the comments. I would also leave it within this video. So once all of our ingredients are added, we are now going to add the rolled oats. This is not the instant oats. Please don't use the instant oats. And me using sour cream, I just wanted to try something different, so I added the tablespoon of sour cream. You can omit it if you wish, but it added nice tanginess to this recipe. It was really enjoyable. This is not a crunchy cookie, it is a chewy cookie. You want to bake it for the 10 minutes as I suggested. Take it out. It may not look like if it's cooked, but it is. When it cool down, it will get to a nice soft chewy consistency. Don't forget to check out my other recipes. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and please try this recipe and let me know.